other than the sunset here in Henties, which today is not an option. Or is it? That is, if you drive 10 kilos in the desert, you can perhaps experience another sunset. Sunsets here in Henties doesn't happen often, and exactly what we're going to do today is drive into the desert. That's another thing you can do here in Henties. We're going to go and look for the shoe rock. Is it rock shoe? Well, it's a rock that looks like a shoe. So that's what we're going to do today. But first, as you can see, there are no kids. So we need to go and pick up the kids at school. The school is about to close for the weekend. So we need to pick up the kids first. They've been to school for the whole week. Can you believe it? Our kids went to school. And this is the road to the school. You can see there's one scholar driving back from the school. So the school has closed already. And that's how it works here in Henties. The dad of the mountain drives behind the kiddies, cycling to the school and back. Okay, so this is part of the golf course as well. This is like a back road. You're not supposed to take this road to school, but it is a shortcut. The other one is all the way to the main road. And there's the school. Doesn't look like a school, but it is one, trust me. They have like 40 scholars in there. I think about 40, and 6 teachers. So that's quite a good ratio, I think. And that's our school kids coming from the school. Right, so from the school, you're just taking a shortcut to the main road. You can see there's some traffic on the main road, and then you get into the river. Oh, it's this thing again. It's just dust. Always. And then just on the main road, you get off again and you go into the river. And look, they're making a athletics field here. I think it's off here. Oh, maybe not, I don't know. This is the salt road and this is the off road. Campsite. Oh, that's the campsite the teacher was talking about. Yeah. It's like a free-for-all campsite in the middle of nowhere. And we're gonna look for it. Ilofa. So it's called Ilofa. It's just past Henties at the next river. And this is the river. We're now in the riverbed. And as you can see, it doesn't look like we need to drive far to get sun. I think I'm gonna try and demonstrate this with something more effective. So just 4 kilometers out of town into the desert, sun is shining. You wouldn't even say that exists. There's the mist bank, and we have arrived at the campsite. It looks like a self-serve campsite. It's quite nice. Pasala Lodge it's called, because Pasala means for free. There's a nice shaded tree there.
So nice.
Yeah, in the middle of the desert, somebody has created a campsite called Pasala Lodge. You can come and stay here if you want. No, we're not gonna camp here. They have a tip pot, of course. I wonder if there's something in the tip pot. Oh, there's lots of coins. And there's a light. That's quite nice. So one day when we come and stay here, we're gonna when we come and stay here, we will give them a tip. It's very nice.
I think Daddy likes it because they're very bright.
Yeah, there's a washing bowl. There's a treasure.
Even a place to sleep.
I don't know if it's for sleeping, but you can definitely hang out here. They have some old chairs, which I believe it's not for sitting. Ah, and I guess that must be the toilet.
There's even sunscreen.
Yeah, what a nice place. And it's kept clean. You can see somebody was brushing the ground here. So in the treasure they have salt, a couple of mugs, ketchup, spices, you name it. There's loo paper, tot glasses. Quite amazing. So I kind of like this idea here. So Pasala Lodge has quite a lot of nice things here.
What is this?
Even like a cactus garden, a lighter,
Someone lost this from the car.
and you name it. Right now it's quite hot and it's such a nice thing to see in the middle of the desert. It's like a surprise for us. This is called a Toktoki because they tok on the ground when they look for a partner. So I don't know, you slide from the one side to the other side, but it's probably like an old mining thing or something. Oh, there's my brave little girl in the kukapan. I don't know what you call it. And the road continues. We've done about almost 30 kilos and about 20 to go. Which way, left or right? Straight. Rock shoe. Now halfway to our destination, the Shoe Rock, but it turns out to be quite a long way to travel. It's only 50 kilometers, but it goes slow here in the desert. The road is tough, but look at this, doesn't it look like a scene from another planet? And there in the back, I don't think you guys can see it now, the Spitskoppe. It's a very popular destination. Finally made it to the rock shoe, or the shoe rock, whatever you want to call it. We've made it, but luckily we had GPS coordinates, because otherwise we would have driven right past it. So here's the road. You can see we just came from here, and then you see this, and here's the rock that looks like a shoe, and it does look like a shoe. It's like a booty. And the kids are already on top there. Kayla and Megan, show your faces. There they are. How's it up there? Is it nice?
Yeah.
How did you get up? Did Mom help you?
No.
Oh, wonderful.
This is the easier way, but now it's time to climb tree.
Ah, it's tree climbing time. All right.
Yeah, this side is much easier than that. But you'll slide in them.
But enjoy it. So we are going to stay here for a while, have a drink and a braai. We have T-bone and boerewors.
Daddy,
There you go. Yes.
here's the hole here, and there's the tree. There's just the flat surface. So me and Megan's gonna sit there.
Enjoy it.
Will there
It's
be
like
any snakes?
Imagine it's your tree house.
Yeah.
Look at this tree. This is the perfect camping area as well. You can see people has done it as well. The one thing I've learned about Namibians, when they see a tree like this, they only see a camping spot. That's all they see. They don't see the tree. They see, oh, look at this. And it's amazing. I mean, it goes so low, the sun will never bother you. It's absolutely beautiful. So we're prepping here for a nice...
We got a new dog, Charlie. We called him Charlie.
And
She's a girl, and there she's water. It's like a plastic bag with 2 rocks that he drinks out of.
So Charlie has decided to join us. Mommy has gone desert look, which is beautiful because it's hot here in the desert. Can't believe it. This morning we were freezing and now we're getting hot. And it's just us. There's plenty of tracks, but just us. That was it for the Shook Rock. We're on our way back. We got a shocking discovery. One of our number plates fell off, the back one, and we looked at the photos. Luckily we took a lot of photos, and at the first place we took a photo where the campsite was, there in the middle of nowhere. Do you want to say?
Pasala Lodge.
Pasala Lodge, yeah, Pasala Lodge campsite. There, the number plate was already off. So it sounds like a minor thing, but it's a South African number plate. So here in Namibia, they won't be able to make that number plate for us. At least we know where to start looking for it. But it can even be in Henties Bay.
Daddy,
yes.
Should we see if it's not off yet?
It is
The
off.
front one. The front one.
No, the front one, Daddy saw was loose and I tightened it long ago, but the back one we saw it was loose on Monday there at the spar, and we forgot to tighten it up. But anyway, before I complained the whole time, but look at this. Isn't this so beautiful?
As ons by die een plek begin kyk, die kaarte klop.
I was driving down the riverbed. It's a bit of a commotion in this vehicle. This one is
Doing something.
cranky. How are you, my lovey?
Very bad. Where's my phone? Where's my vlogger? Where's my drone? Where's this? Where's that? Blah, 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 blah.
Another hour or so.
And guess what? My sister's driving.
Really?
Everyone seeing
She's
the
not
hand.
driving. I'm driving. Look at me. I'm driving. All right, it's getting dark. We're doing all this type of things in the desert,
Daddy.
looking for our tracks. We're trying to backtrack,
Daddy.
and in the meantime, yeah, okay, we're back on track. We're trying to backtrack our tracks, which we can't find, so that we can find our lost number plates.